yo. This is the Rooster Cop. My song today is gonna be about some zombies and some chicken wings. Okay, dog, here it goes. A, B, C, D, E, B, T, I, M, A, L, N, O, P. You can't see me. I am a zombie. I eat people's brains. Man, you don't want to get near me. I'll turn you into a chicken wing. If you want a chicken wing, you gotta go look at the big pan. If you don't like those pans, you gotta go look at the wings. If those chicken wings don't give you nothing, you ain't gonna never have success. I am a rapper, a big rapper. You can't beat me because I am a patapa. If you want me, come and get me because you're never gonna find me because you're too dummy. If you're black, don't go back because I'll come looking for you in my sack. If you like me, ignore. If you don't like me, press like. And if you really hate me, go die, you nigga.